Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new emergency update here on the channel. And on today's emergency update, I will give you guys a very quick brief update about what we're currently seeing here on the cryptocurrency market. So without any further ado, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the socials in the link in the description, and let's jump in towards the content. So what we can see is that Bitcoin currently is retesting this very critical range that we discussed earlier today of previous resistance and previous support. Like you can see, we're currently trading below it, and if this 1 hour candle, what is on the time of recording, is going to close in 17 minutes, and probably once this video is out in 10 minutes from now on, once this 1 hour candle is going to close here, it is going to be leading towards, of course, a lot of market volatility. If it's going to close below this horizontal support range, we're going to look for more bearish price action in the market, and I'm going to be aiming for targets around the 41,000 US dollars. That is going to be, of course, an approximately trading setup, if I say this correctly, an approximately a short trading setup of an approximately 4% towards the downside, and with a 1% risk, it is a good 4-to-1 ratio trade here. So it looks like a very good opportunity to take a short position if we're definitely going to be breaking down of this range here, and then we're going to indeed look towards the next territorial zone here. So, as well, what is important to know here is that Bitcoin is really losing a lot of strength on the recent hours, and earlier today I already warned you guys about that Bitcoin is probably going to lose some more momentum. So right now in the lower time frames we're losing momentum, but how is the 4-hourly time frame looking? So in the 4-hourly time frame we can see as well we get this this stalling of peak here where we are coming down again afterwards. We are right now as well looking to potentially invalidate the bull flag scenario because we're going to be breaking below of the parallel channel, what is definitely a very bearish scenario and a very bearish sign as well in the market. What we could be looking at here for the 4-hourly time frame is this potential upper sloping support range for the RSI here on the 4-hourly time frame. However, the 4-hourly candle, I should say, is about to close in 60 minutes, and then we could be, of course, already confirm a breakdown of this upper sloping support line on the RSI, and that could be already invalidate the structure. So right now, yeah, potentially we are going to be holding up towards this RSI trend line towards the upside, but since the 4-hourly candle is going to close in 50 minutes, we're going to then know more about this. If we're still holding up that RSI support line, we still are potentially looking a little bit more stronger for a potential bounce towards the upside. On the 4-hour, my main support range is going to be trading around the 42.6k towards the 42.8k. So a close above the 42.6k is going to be still relatively bullish for Bitcoin. So please take that in consideration. For the 4-hourly close here, we need to see a close above the 42.6k in order to stay bullish. If we're going to see a close above it, I still potentially expect we are going to see a very strong bounce back towards the upside. If we're as well going to look at the MACD, we can clearly see that we did have this bearish crossover earlier today, and usually once you're getting a bearish crossover, you tend to see some more downside on the market and see some more sell pressure across the borders. So please do notice, it is actually not looking so strong for Bitcoin right now here. After the significant rally towards the upside, we are looking to create some more weakness on the market right here. As well, if we're going to look at the funding rates, we can see that there are neutral funding rates, so we're not necessarily expecting a short or long squeeze. So in terms of funding rates, we are looking neutral, and I'm not necessarily anticipating the market to move towards either direction. So guys, this was already it for today's emergency update video here. Make sure to watch these levels that I just talked about here a moment ago. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out the socials in the link in the description. Follow us on Twitter for more updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.